You may actually now be wondering, how can PMF actually help with arthritis? What kind of symptoms of arthritis can it actually reduce, and what actually are they?
So as Josh was saying, a lot of people are using PMF for arthritis. Mainly it can help with reducing stiffness in the joints, mainly reducing the pain and also inflammation. So overall, it's kind of like improving the quality of life for a lot of people with arthritis.
People now might be wondering, because where there is kind of a wide span of arthritis, you've obviously got arthritis that's localized to maybe one area and arthritis that is throughout the whole body. Does this change how you'd actually apply the PMFs to deal with this?
Yeah, so there can be two different ways of, or a few different ways of applying PMF therapy for arthritis. So you have rheumatoid arthritis, which is pain. It's more of an autoimmune disease, and that affects the whole body. So it's the body's ability to produce the materials it needs to keep the joints lubricated and reduce the inflammation. So with rheumatoid arthritis, we'd always recommend a full body system. So you're not just treating one area of the body. And with osteoarthritis, or arthritis within a certain joint, so a lot of people get kind of like knee arthritis, and it's localized to those areas. Again, you can use a localized system in just that area, and you can still get some benefits, which we'll talk about a little bit later with one of the studies we found. But we would also recommend still using a full body system and a localized device in that area to intensify it in that area, and that's going to get the results a lot quicker.